So today we are going to study the topic Managerial Economics, in which we will further cover the topics concept of Managerial Economics, the nature of Managerial Economics, scope of Managerial Economics, and the significances of Managerial Economics. So first of all, let us see what is Managerial Economics. When the principles of economics are applied to a business, it is called as Managerial Economics and is also called as applied branch of economics. This topic also covers various macroeconomic variables that affect the economy of a firm and also its national income. Now we will see the topic concept of Managerial Economics. It is the study of economic theories, econometric models, and tools of analysis that helps the managers in understanding the market behavior. It also helps the producers to make decisions regarding choice of product to produce, market segment to cater, deciding on the price, and strategy for beating competition. According to Mansfield, Managerial economics is concerned with the application of economic concepts and economic analysis to the problems of formulating rational managerial decisions. Nature of Managerial Economics. It is considered as a study helpful in taking decisions for a firm related to its economy. It is microeconomic in nature and is only related to the firm. It is goal-oriented and is for profit maximization by optimal use of resources, that is, by maximum use of resources. It is conceptual as well as empirical in nature. It focuses on identifying solutions to the business problems. Scope of Managerial Economics. It helps in demand analysis and forecasting, that is, for making choices of business, that is, what to produce. Demand analysis involves understanding the customer demand for a product or for a service in a particular market. Companies use demand analysis techniques to determine if they can successfully enter a market and generate expected profits to advance their business operations. It helps in cost and production analysis, that is, choosing the factors of production and ascertaining quantity to be produced and learn various market structure. It also helps in pricing theories, that is, to decide price to be applied in the market. The theory of price is a theory which states that the price for goods and services is determined by economic forces such as supply and demand. According to this theory, the relationship between supply and demand influences price as to whether the prices of goods and services will rise or decline. It helps in profit analysis, that is, to find the break-even point for the company, which means to reach a point in a business venture when the profits are equal to the costs. This means calculating the point of margin profit, which is going to help company in reaching no profit, no loss position. It helps in investment analysis, that is, for capital budgeting decisions and investment in resources and assets. Capital budgeting decisions can be choosing to undertake a new project or not that expands a firm's current operations, or opening a new store location or not, for example, would be one such decision. It helps in finding competition in the market for deciding business strategy. Competition in marketing is the rivalry between existing companies, services, or products that exist within a specific market. Now, significance of Managerial Economics. Managerial economics helps in forecasting of demand and supply at macro level for the firm. Managerial economics also assists in planning for production capacity and production mix for the company. It helps in planning the overall development plans based on the inputs given by microeconomic theory of the firm. Managerial economics shows the economic viability of new products, production lines, and the processes of the production. It also helps in preparing reports about future growth prospect and price situation in the market. Managerial economics also helps in informing the management about different industrial and economic matters of national and international importance. Herewith, this part of the video is ending. In the next part of video, we will study the other important topics of managerial economics. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.